for, man. I really want to know what's over that walls. Well, let's go find out. But Mario said we can't. I mean, how would he know? He's inside. What if something bad happens? Peace out, guys. I can't get over. It's too hard. Oh my God, he actually doing it. Oh my God. No way, brother, no way. Yeah! Let's move the bench over more. Okay, I think it's my turn to climb. Yeah. Okay, one small step for man, one giant leap for Toad. Wait, what? I thought you were going first. Toad? 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 Whoa, whoa! Oh God. Oh my God, what are we going to do? Guys, are you over there? Whoa, whoa, slippery! I'm not going up there. Actually, I might be just taking to the looks. Whoa, whoa, God. Oh, my leg! Help, whoa! Help! Help! Oh, help! Help me! Help! 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 Help, whoa, help! Oh, God! Kimmy! Come over here! Kimmy! Hurry up! I don't know what's going on, but it don't feel so good. Oh. Whoa, that's be where we live. That's nice. Oh my swing. Whoa, whoa. Let's see if they're up. Oh. Those stairs are beating hard. Oh. What's going of Leon's? Luigi, that beating you? Yeah, me too. Okay, what are you gonna do now? God, guys, it's all your fault. Bro, you'll be telling us to get over here. Ow! I'll go get help. Okay, folks. Oh, and we don't be feeling so good. Oh. We're all dirty. We being all dirty. Oh, these chairs be looking comfy. Oh. 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 I need help. Dun 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 dun. Oh God. Ooh, full minute. Oh. What, Yoshi? Hey, get up. Hey, get up. Black Yoshi, why you not getting up? No. Oh, I don't feel so good. Goofy. No. No! I need to take him back. I need to get him out of here. I can't do it anymore. I'm not gonna make it. We aren't gonna make it. No, we're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it anymore. Not gonna make it. No, we're not gonna. I can't do it any longer. Ow, that was all that hurt. Yeah. Mario. What do you want? Why's your hair grass? Why's your toe grass? Whatever. We went, me and Goofy and Luigi and Black Yoshi. We went over the wall. What? How are you back over here? They threw me over. And they told me to come help you. Get help from you. Yappa! Ow! Okay, I gotta go over there, I guess. Dang it, my hat fell off. Doody doody doo 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 doody doo doo doo. What's up? God, last time I went over the wall, Bowser and his son and his two friends, they didn't come back. Okay, shut it. Shut it. Oh, ow. Okay, guys. Okay, Black Yoshi, let's get you over there. Yeah. Toad, get him! Ow! Luigi, and your hat, and my hat. Yeah. Okay. Now, Goofy. Where do you think you're going? Huh? It's you.